YouTube dulu sama pembantu. Aku ini lagi ke kamu. Udah, oke. Sebentar aku ikuti kalender. Udah live kok. Masih 4 menit lagi. Bunda udah live katanya. Oh, Daniela udah di sini.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hi Daniela. How are you?
Hello, how are you doing?
Good. How are you? Good. Yeah.
I'm getting an echo. Hang on. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes.
Perfect, perfect. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. We're doing good. So Laura is next. Laura is next to me. We're still in the office.
Perfect. How are you today?
I'm doing good. We're doing good. So Laura is next. Laura is next to me. We're still in the office. We are actually live already, but I didn't see the student. The students are here. Maybe. Ini kasih tahu sudah ini kita udah live, udah hilang.
Hi, Daniela, Ajay.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Thank you for making the time early in the morning.
Anytime, anytime.
And pleased to meet you, Ajay.
Hey guys, thanks for having me. How you doing?
Good, good. Uh, is it live?
Yeah, it's already live.
Yeah, I think it's live now. So we can start.
Mungkin karena di sini nyala, situ nyala.
Okay, Danny, did you want to do the intro or did you want me to just lead? Laura, you said we're live, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
We're live now on YouTube.
Okay, great.
All the DSC should be able to
You can see the
see
name.
us.
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, let me load up my deck and I'm going to share. It should be fine for me to share my deck, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes, no?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. All right. So again, I'm guessing most of the DSCs are DSC leads are already watching the YouTube live. So should we just get started?
Yep, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Hi, welcome all DSC Indonesia leads. My name is Ajay Hamnani. I'm part of the Google Cloud training team here in Mountain View. And this is the sort of the introductory call, sort of a kickoff to cover one of the themes for DSC Indonesia this year, which is Google Cloud Study Jam. I speak a little bit of Bahasa Indonesia, and so I'm going to try to, deliver it in that language, but it's a little rusty, so I may end up mixing the languages. So apologies, but feel free to ask your questions in the language, and I should be able to respond. We're doing a YouTube live, and so I wouldn't be able to see the questions directly unless I switch to my Hangout view, and so I will pause every now and then, but we can also take questions towards the end. So once again, welcome to this session, which we call the pitch deck kickoff. Selamat datang, selamat sore. Before I jump into the content in this slide deck, I just want to let you know that kita mungkin use up around 20-25 menit untuk deliver any deck, and then we'll have time untuk Q&A ya. Kalau ada questions, we can keep it for the end, or along the way too, we can start answering questions. I just want to make sure there's, okay, great. All right. So one last thing before I get into this presentation here. I'm very excited karena tahun lalu sekitar September, Oktober ya kita we launched the pilot. Ada sekitar 20 orang ya yang participate di pilot dari DSC Indonesia, and feedbacknya bagus sekali. Partisipasinya bagus sekali dari peserta-peserta leads yang run Cloud Study Jam. So I'm very excited that this now we're ready to roll out the whole program untuk semua DSC leads, and not just leads, core team members juga. I'm guessing lagi attend call ini. So we're hoping to have like bigger reach, cover more coverage, and all that great stuff. Okay, so this pitch deck is about leading a cloud study jam. Jadi before I cover apa itu cloud study jam, let's spend some time untuk mengerti cloud itu apa in general, Google Cloud, and then we'll come back to talking about cloud study jam, ya. Jadi kita mulai with a few kutipan ya, dari sources kayak Gartner atau Capgemini atau Forrester ya. Tapi theme-nya itu satu ya. Gimana cloud itu sekarang dalam era sekarang udah gitu penting, and bakal lebih penting dalam tahun-tahun yang akan datang ya. Jadi ada natural shift gitu dari on-prem ke cloud. Whether we think about like infrastructure, misalnya networking, atau even like services kayak photos and email, all that good stuff, ada natural shift. And ada beberapa new fields yang biasanya very very niche ya, sekarang udah jadi common. Misalnya data engineering, data analysis. Karena cloud udah begitu kuat, these roles lebih common sekarang. And if we try to think, biasa ada role yang di dunia IT misalnya developer atau database administrator yang biasa aktivitasnya misalnya setup database, spend waktu performance tuning atau scaling. Banyakkan aktivitas itu karena cloud udah jadi automated, udah jadi native. And ada lagi banyak role yang baru yang muncul sekarang. Misalnya data scientist, data analyst, yang biasanya dulu sebelum cloud itu agak susah. Sekarang with the help of cloud udah jadi gampang, udah evolve ya, udah berkembang. And we'll see some examples of that in more detail. One of the questions ya yang kita biasa dengar dari banyak peserta, banyak orang, misalnya kalian mobile developer atau database admin, how does cloud or Google Cloud Platform in specific apply to me? Ya, gimana cloud bisa bantu saya? Karena I develop mobile app, jadi connectionnya apa mas? Ya, so before I answer that question, right? Kita bakal spend beberapa slides diskusi apa itu cloud in general. Then we'll come back to this question. So, what is cloud? Yeah. In general, it covers a lot of, it's a broad term, covers a lot of online territory, tapi bisa dipikir ada 3 bagian gitu ya, cloud. In general, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, dan software as a service. Ada tiga bagian gede. Jadi sekarang in the next few slides kita akan lihat apa artinya masing-masing ini ya. So let's start with infrastructure as a service ya. So infrastructure as a service itu it helps to think in terms of machines, the servers you set up, basic building blocks like networking lah, storage, itu ada banyak bagian yang basic yang biasanya as an administrator kalian harus set up. Misalnya pikir aja machine, tapi sekarang kita pikir dari perspektif cloud. Jadi bukannya on-prem lagi, kita pikir in terms of cloud. Jadi virtual machine. Tapi tetap mesin kan harus di setup, right? Harus install software, harus install patches. Ada beberapa things yang we have to do, right? In the same way, there's the networking and the storage, right? So it's up to you, like because it's at the very core, paling basic level. Jadi bisa di setup. The next one is platform as a service. Ya, sekarang misalnya udah ada virtual machine. Just give me a minute here. Right, so as I was saying, platform as a service, it helps if you think of it in terms of sekarang mesinnya udah di setup, software udah ada, udah pre-configure, runtime environments udah ada. Sekarang tinggal mau development. Misalnya mau bikin website apa gitu untuk online selling, right? Atau mau bikin map kayak store locator for a department store. Whatever it is, kalian perlu write some code, perlu store data di database, etc. etc. That's where platform as a service comes in handy. And nanti we'll see satu dua contoh ya. Ada offerings kayak App Engine and data store, cloud data store yang bikin all these things very very easy. And bagian yang ketiga, software as a service. Ini yang paling gampang. We all use email, Gmail, ya, atau banyak email yang di online itu. And banyak juga kita udah familiar dengan things like Google Photos, ya. Itu software, itu contoh dari software as a service, ya. Jadi nggak ada setup, nggak ada pre-configuration. It just works, right? You need to use email, you just set up your account name and password, and bam, you're ready to use it. Yeah, even photos, you just set up your account and you can start uploading photos, and you don't have to worry about space and scale. Itu semua udah diatur, udah taken care of, yeah. So these are the three big pillars of cloud. I'm just going to quickly jump into the Hangout window now just to make sure if there's any questions that are being relayed. Okay, so far so good. All right, so I'm just going to continue. So I promised tadi sebelum kita diskusi cloud, we started with that question, right? I'm a mobile app developer. Ini connectionnya apa sama cloud? Ya, kalau I'm just a mobile app developer. So there is a big connection. Like most of the things you do, right? Typically you'll use either some kind of infrastructure or you'll need a platform untuk development. Biasa mau bikin website, mau bikin apa, atau mau pakai beberapa services directly, right? So all these things will apply. What kind of role you're in. Jadi kalau kita pikirin kita perlu application data, kita mau nyetornya di mana gitu ya, mau storage datanya di mana. Nah, Google Cloud Platform ada banyak options, misalnya cloud storage, cloud data store. Jadi ada yang mau pakai SQL, ada yang nggak mau pakai SQL, ada yang mau range-nya gede, ada